Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. So as you guys know, actually before I start the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will look at the tickers that you guys want me to. As you guys know, yesterday I posted a video of the SPX. Me basically thinking that it's going to 403. I actually think that target we did drop significantly, right? Pretty sure I made that video. Where is it? April 25th, like right here. Pretty sure I made that video early morning, like somewhere at 412. We dropped all the way down to 408, 407 now. Pretty significant drop, right? So didn't hit the 403 target. I still think 403 is gonna hit. I think we're I think we're actually on the way of hitting that target now. I think in an hour we're actually gonna be closing a fresh bear candle on the 8 hour. On a fresh bear trigger, and you actually did break lows. You actually did break lows on the SPX pre-market, right? So you actually had a low of 407.33. You actually broke that at 407.23 pre-market. I actually ended up shorting the market again. Here's my small account, right? I started this with like $100, and it is at $1,000 now. I think I started it like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Shorting everything. And I think we're, again, like I said, I think we're going to 403. I think everything's going to keep dumping. I bought a crap ton of Google puts. Google, I really, really hope that Google crashes and dies today. That's what I want. Their earnings was pretty bad. They had a really big miss on ad revenue and a bunch of other crap. And that actually makes me think that Meta is going to actually miss because all that's holding them up is just their ad revenue. So if Google is actually taking a crap right now, it would not surprise me if Meta actually does the exact same thing. Meta at 210, honestly, is not, I think, plausible. I mean, I think Meta is doing fine, but I kind of want to buy puts and buy puts on their earnings, because I don't think that Meta is actually gonna. I think Meta is gonna do poorly, because if Google's actually ad revenues it was horrible, I think that Meta's drop is gonna be even worse. So I'm actually debating on shorting the crap out of. I'm actually debating on shorting. What is it called? On shorting Meta. I do think the SPX is going to drop again. Your range today is going to be essentially, 407 all the way back up here to 409. If we do go back to 409, I would consider these easy shorts. Especially because he broke that low pre-market. That's extremely telling of what the market wants to do. And we are going to be closing a fresh 4-hour bear VC, which I consider a violent trigger, a violent close. And if you guys are part of the Patreon, you guys know exactly what that is. And if you guys, all the Patreon members, if you want to join, it's www.patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. So shout out to me as my sponsor. I know everybody yesterday had a great payout, which is absolutely ridiculous. So good job to everybody in the Patreon and the chat. But yeah, I think right now you're just kind of trading within range. If you're up here at 409, I'm just gonna add a crap ton more shorts. If we do break these lows again, if we do come back down here, I'm gonna add more shorts here, because I do think we're headed down to 405, possibly 403 today, and that's gonna be my target. And I think right now what I'm looking more for is getting back, because I actually bought Google puts yesterday. I have 106 puts. Google's at 103 now, so their earnings was kind of bad. So Google's at 103.50. My puts should be somewhat in profit, I think, because I have 106 puts. So I'll be selling all of those. I'll probably get back into SPY. I'm probably gonna end up getting back into SPY puts for around like mid-June or something. And then I'm gonna get also into Netflix puts, possibly Disney, possibly Meta. I'm not sure yet. Where's Tesla? Tesla is at 160. Tesla's doing still pretty poorly, so I think it's going down. The dollar is starting to. I thought the dollar was already pumping. Oh, that's weird. I thought the dollar was already going to start to pump. Yeah, I think the dollar's going to pump. I think I think today it's going to pump, so I think the whole market's going to drop, essentially. But yeah, very, very simple TA today. You're just in range. 409, right? 407, broke lows pre-market, which is extremely telling. So anything up here, I'm 100% going to short. If we start closing some pretty nasty triggers, then I'll probably add some more shorts right now, because look at that. That's some nasty, like, there you go. Yeah, I'll add some more shorts. There you go. So get in here, trade, sell. I'll add another martingale, so sell that. Manaz is already shorts. Maz is already coming down. I kind of want to add more shorts because I do think it's going to come back down. So let's do another 4 lot or 0.04 because I do think Nas is going to keep selling off. So we'll do that for now. Hopefully it doesn't bounce from here. But yeah, we'll see. I think right now we're probably going to sell off towards the downside. But like I said, I don't want to make this too much of a long video, too much TA. It's really just within range. If you bounce back up to here to 409, I think it's a perfect entry for shorts. And then even if you break these again, if you break this low 407, it's an easy short to 405, possibly lower to 403. So I still think we're going to 403. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.